Hello, I'm going to show you how to make hyperlinks within your slideshow. I'm going to show you from an example. This is a Bible game I've made with PowerPoint, Google Slides, I'm sorry. On the second page, we have some questions inside of boxes. Each of these questions should be hyperlinked, as you see, to the answer slides. That means when you click on the question, you are taken immediately to the slide within this slideshow. The way you do that is to select the words and either click the link button up here or Control K. Within this option, you will see a place to enter a link from a website or to enter slides within this presentation. The answer to this question is slide 3. So I'm going to scroll down to slide 3 and choose it and click apply. Again, I'm going to choose the next one, Control K, choose slides in this presentation, and slide 4 is the answer to this question. I will apply it. I've done the other 2 questions. Now, let's try it out. I'm going to click on the question, and sure enough, it takes me to the answer. But now how do I get back to the question again? This is where we need to make an arrow, and I'll show you how to do that. In your first answer slide, you'll need to make a shape or a word. I choose to make an arrow, and I'll use this one for today. This arrow, I'm going to make into a hyperlink. Make sure the arrow is selected. Again, choose your insert link, and you will need to choose slide what? That's true. Slide number 2. This is where the questions are, and you will be going all the way back to that. You may modify this slide by adjusting the color to match your theme, and I'm going to make it the teal blue, and you can also, if you want, add some words inside. Double click on the shape and you'll be able to type inside. Now I want this on each slide, so I'm going to select it, copy, which is Control C, go to the next slide, Control V, paste, click on the next answer slide, Control V, paste, Control V on the last slide. This is simple because all you have to do is make it once and copy it to the next. Now let's try it from the very beginning. Bible game. Each question, let's try the last one just to make sure it works. How was Ruth related to King David of Israel? Ruth was King David's great-grandmother. We click on the shape, the arrow, and it brings us back to the question slide. Remember to click on Command or Control K to get the link and choose slides within your presentation. If you want, you can choose to make a link from a web page, for example, to each of these verses. You'll first have to find your web page and save the link, and then when you choose Control K, you will change it back to a link that you've saved from the web page. Okay? So we're going to be practicing this, and hopefully you can understand how to make a link to another slide within your own slideshow. Thank you.